Come to the supermarket now! Ben is gone! Where are you? Looking for my son. Please help me. I need to cook dinner later. Oh, there is nothing to cook for dinner.
Maybe we go to the supermarket together?
Sounds good. You stay home and work. I take Ben.
I go to the supermarket. Do not get lost, okay? I am big now.
Ben, did you put on your seatbelt?
Today, I will help you push the cart.
If you help me, you stay close to me. Do not run.
Yes. I pushed the cart. Good job, honey. Watch me go. We reciting.
We buy vegetables first.
Wow, tomatoes.
Yes, the red ones.
I help you. I am strong. Yes, you are.
Beef is on sale, but I want to cook pork.
Just one little look. Where is the bear? Where is the bear? Mom?
Ben! Ben!
Where am I?
Where are you? Where are you? Did you see a small boy around 6 years old with short, curly, dark hair and wearing a blue t-shirt?
No, I haven't seen.
Come to the supermarket now! Ben is gone!
I am coming now.
Excuse me, where is the meat section?
Continue straight down this aisle, past the frozen foods, and you'll see the meat counter on your right.
Thank you.
Go. Where? Left? Right? Go straight. Turn left. Wow! Look at that one! Look at that one!
Please be safe, Ben.
So many trucks. Big truck.
Help! I can't find my son! Looking for my son. He is 6 years old with short, curly, dark hair and wearing a blue t-shirt. Please help me.
We are looking for a boy around 6 to 8 years old with short, curly, dark hair.
I am lost. I need to find Mom.
We are looking for a boy around 6-8 years old with short curly dark hair.
A little boy is lost.
This is not right.
Ben! We will find him.
Mom is looking for me. Ben!
You made me very scared. I told you not to leave me.
I am sorry. I just wanted to see the bear.
Next time, do not do that again.
Wala kina. Do you like this truck?
I like it. What's
You can choose one.
Thank God you are safe. We go together now.
Let us finish shopping. This is an apple. This is a banana. We will eat apples and bananas for dessert. This is an orange.
We will make orange juice. Look, carrots. Whoa.
We take one bunch of carrots. This is lettuce.
Lettuce gives us fiber.
This is chicken.
This is beef.
This is milk.
This is bread. We will eat bread for breakfast tomorrow.
We go home and cook dinner.
I have a new truck! Wow, it's amazing! Look at that! Good thing you did not get lost again. Please subscribe to our channel and watch more fun videos.